Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the watch face down on a soft pad and a tray for tiny parts. This prevents damage and loss. Use a suitable thin screwdriver or spring bar tool to engage the strap end and position light so you clearly see the lug channel. Apply gentle inward pressure on the spring bar while slightly rotating the strap outward. This releases tension. Once the bar clears the lug notch, lift the strap straight out to avoid bending or scratching the case. Make sure to keep parts organized by side. Once the old strap is off, inspect spring bars and lugs for burrs, grime, or deformation. Replacing bent bars prevents failure. When fitting the new Richard Mille strap, orient the tapered/curved edge to match the case profile and dry fit first to check clearance. Compress the spring bar slightly, insert one end into the lug hole, then rotate the strap so the opposite end can be guided into the notch. Take it slow. Proper alignment ensures the bar seats fully and the strap sits flush. You finish by confirming both spring bar ends are fully seated in the lug notches. Give the strap a firm, controlled tug to test security. If your model uses screws, torque them lightly to factory feel. Do not over-tighten. Clean the case edges and strap contact points to remove oils before wearing. If the strap feels misaligned or wobbly, stop and reseat the spring bar or replace it. Worn bars are the most common fault, so swapping to a new, correct size bar usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.